All right, guys, here's my DR-10. I'm super excited about it now because I've got better gearing in there and it's not going to give me any trouble. I mean, that mesh is sweet. Mod 8, man, perfect. I put the paddles back on there that I was originally running on it, and it's just so much wider than it was before, you know, so it's kind of a cool looking little rig. Dog's running into my camera. Anyways, yeah, that's it. I'm going to get it out and rip it around now and see how it does. I really like it. It's just a neat little car. Well, if it's not one thing, it's another. The front hinge pin came out on my A-arm. Dang it. Can't get any runtime on this thing. No wonder it's so hard to drive. Oh, well, I'll play around a little bit more, I guess. What the heck. A lot of power, man. All right, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. I said at the beginning of the video I really like this car, but I'm getting to really not like it, at least not for out in the dirt. I've tried a lot of stuff with it, and it just breaks so easy. But anyways, it's really fun to work on, and I have a good time messing with it, so I'll just keep going. You guys take care, and like and subscribe if you like the video.